I just got my Firewalla Gold Pro. I was just gonna open it on camera and do a little unboxing video. It comes in a really pretty box. It says Firewalla on the front. It's packaged very nicely. Boom. Pull her out. This is getting started on the front. Oops. Some silica gel. Trying to get this dang thing open. It's very, very well packaged for sure. And there she is. The gold. Two 10 gigabit ports and two 2.5 gig ports. There's that. It comes with I heard there's stickers in here, and that's what I'm looking for. Power cord, little power pack thing. I think it's on the back of this. That getting started thing. I heard there's stickers on here. I see them. They are on here. If I can open this without breaking them. I'm going to use my good knife. Some cute little stickers. And my Firewalla. Ooh, I didn't realize it says Firewalla on the top of it. It's very pretty. I like it a lot more than I like the regular. I have the regular gold right now. Very clean. And I'm gonna go plug it in. That's it.